Okay, I just wanted to put a quick video on here of the most annoying sound in the world when you hook up your system. You hook up a system with 2 amps and you got that fucking whining ass sound with your stereo, the buzzing sound, your engine sound. Every time your engine revs up, you hear that whining sound. I'm gonna let you hear it so you see what I'm talking about. First, you got this one. I don't know if you can hear it. Let me see. That's what the... There it is. That's even louder. That's with the truck not even on. Very, very simple way to fix it. Very annoying. All you gotta do is take... I took one of the screws. Hold on. I took one of the screws off. I took the screw off the back of the radio. Right there. Now, all you gotta do, very simple, very quick, very easy. Screw, wrap it around it. You can see it right there. Just wrap it around the bolt. Make it short. So all you gotta do is screw that back in there. Well, I gotta put you down for a sec. Let me see. See if that'll work. Screw this in. Screw it back in. Now it'd be a lot easier if you put a little connector on the end, but I'm just doing it real quick to show you. Now on your RCA jacks, basically you're losing your ground to them. So the other end, all you gotta do is tap it to that. Gone. No sound. None. Zero. But what you do is unplug your RCA jack, which are really tight. Just unplug it. What you'll do is put a little piece of that down in there. Just go put a little piece of it on there because you just want it to go in with it. Just like that. I'll push it down a little harder. There we go. Now, you can see it right there. Just plugged in with the RCA, no noise. Now, I'll put you down here by the door. No noise. Turn my volume back up.
How about some pig feet?
Clear as can be. Nice and happy. Yep. Engine sound. No engine squealing. Nothing. Sounds like music to my ears. Let me see when it kicks in. I'll wait for the CD to kick back in. So, I mean, it's real simple. You don't have to go out and buy all that crap they want you to buy. You know, expensive ass filters and all that shit. Take one little piece of wire that you can probably find laying on the ground somewhere. That's it. I mean, it's that simple. And a Phillips screwdriver. There we go.
Oh my booty.
Yep.
Stop!
So, that's it. Can't be any simpler than that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, hit me up. I got you.